Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to hide a cell from the plain high or from the site. Okay, this is this possible to hide a cell? Okay, this question is very interesting. When you see it is possible to hide a column, yes, because you just to click hide B, because it is possible because the whole column is hidden. Is it possible to hide a row? Yes, it is possible because it is hiding the row and showing the next row. But is it possible to hide a cell? Okay, because row and column is possible because you're hiding the full row and you are hiding the full column, but cell cannot be possible because if you hide this cell, then the next cell you have to hide that particular row and the column, but you may want to show the other row cells and the other column cells, right? So if you try to hide this. Okay, you want to hide this cell B2, you need to hide the column B and hide the row 2, but the problem here is you want to hide, you are hiding the full column and row, then the other cell is also hidden. Okay, so now the thing is that is it possible? Is possible in a way that hiding both the columns and rows, but that is not a right solution because it is hiding full column and full row, so we cannot just hide a cell, but there is a way you can make the make the cells values disappear from the eyesight. Okay, that is the objective of this video. Okay, this is very interesting. Why do you want to hide it when you have Excel sheet? Maybe because some of the values you don't want to show to if you are doing a presentation, and some of the values you don't want to show to the audience, or also some of the values maybe you yourself don't want to see it in the worksheet because it is very clumsy, and that values are just used in particular formulas, but it doesn't have it doesn't want to show it in the worksheet because it may be a part in a formula that you don't want to have it in the worksheet to show its worksheet is very clumsy or very crowded with the numbers. Okay, so how do you hide a cell? That is the objective now. Okay, now I put a word here, hide me. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hide this. Okay, but the value will be there, but it is hidden from the high side. Okay, what I'm going to do is right click on the cell, right click, go to format cells, click on format cells, then you have it here that the cell is general number and so on. You go to the custom, you can see the lot of custom things are there. You can put in custom your own if it is date cell, you can put a dd/mm. Those were you customizing your format. Okay, there you in the sample value is hide me, but type in general. What you need to do is just put a semicolon one time, semicolon twice, semicolon thrice. Okay, 3 times semicolon. Okay, now press OK. What happens? It's hidden. You see, it is no more seen. Okay, so but the value is there. Yes, if you go to that cell, you can see press, it is there, but actually if it is in other places you cannot see. If you go to the formula bar, you can see, or double click, you can edit. Okay, that time it's seen, but when it's go down, it is no more there. So this the way you can hide cells. Okay, if I do a operation, what happens there? I just click the cell name. Oh, this one also inherits the same property of this, but here you go to the format cells, go here, delete the 3 semicolons and enter. You can see the value here, you see. So you can hide any cell from the eyesight just pressing 3 semicolons. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and this is fun working in Excel, and you can add your comments in my comment section so that I can improve on my videos, and also you can state your own problems. That one I can also try to solve it and upload some videos. And if you like it, if you like my videos, just press like. Also subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.